Hi everyone, welcome to Massachusetts State. Today we're going to visit Boston, Massachusetts capital and the largest city in New England. It lies south of the Charles River on Massachusetts Bay, a bay of the Atlantic Ocean. We will also visit Cambridge City on the other side of the Charles River, so buckle up and enjoy the ride. First of all, let's have a walk in Harvard University campus in Cambridge. Harvard is the oldest institution of higher education in the United States. It was established in 1636, named after the college's first benefactor, John Harvard. It has undergraduate and postgraduate studies, along with an extension school that has other studying options like online courses. Harvard also has the largest academic library in the world and multiple museums like Harvard Arts Museum and Harvard Museum of Natural History. And now, let's take the train for just 2 stops away from Harvard to visit another one of the best universities in the world, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It's best known for its programs in engineering and the physical sciences, and other areas like economics, political science, linguistics, and psychology. And this is Cambridge Public Library, established in 1889, and it has 6 other branches. Also has a children's library and teen room, meeting rooms, book discussion groups, and many other services like tax assistance. Okay, it's time to visit Boston and let's cross the Charles River and get to the walking city. Here at downtown, you can visit the Freedom Trail sites like Old State House, Faneuil Hall Marketplace, the Financial District, and City Hall with its brutalist architecture. It also has parks like Boston Common, the oldest public park in the US. In there, you can also visit the Prudential Tower, the second tallest building in Boston, and its shopping center. On the 50th floor of Prudential Tower, you can go to the Skywalk Observatory and have a 360-degree view of the city and see up to 100 miles away on a clear day. Now we're in Copley Square, named for painter John Copley. There, you can visit John Hancock Tower, historical chairs, and Boston Public Library, which was established in 1848, the first large free municipal library in the US. It hosts millions of visitors every year, and it has thousands of programs for adults and youth. It also has a big children's library. One of the greatest places for kids to enjoy and learn is Boston Children's Museum. It has many exhibits and programs such as the gallery, art lab, instruction zone, bubbles, Japanese house, Kid Tower, Kid Stage, Dinosaurs area, Investigate, and many areas for different age groups. And Boston has many of the oldest things in America, like the first train, first chocolate factory, first high school, which is Boston Latin School, first lighthouse, and first phone call made by Graham Bell to his assistant. The New England Aquarium in Boston is a global leader in ocean exploration and marine conservation. It has more than 1.3 million visitors a year. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a good day.